Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for another walk. To everyone who doesn't know who I am, I'm Magic. My real name is Maciej. It's a Polish name, but no one can pronounce in England, so I became Magic and I love that name. I love London and decided that I'm gonna share my passion, love and fascination with this city with you. The plan is to walk every day and show you different parts of London, and today we are going to Chelsea Waterfront. It's a part of Chelsea next to the river that was redeveloped recently and is enclave for rich people, so we're gonna go there. Now we are in Fulham, so I thought I'm gonna show you quickly how it looks here. Like, look at those houses, cars. You know who lives here, right? I guess those houses here on that street, some of them probably a couple million of pounds, maybe 1-2 million. So this golden bath is £13,000. Why not? We've got Harley-Davidson, Europe's oldest Harley dealership since 1924. Oh, hello. This is nice. So we've got some beautiful building here, great for Instagram picture, I guess. All of this is new. There is a Harley-Davidson. This is new. Very affluent area. You can see a lot of new buildings, but very clean. Nice. Wow. You can feel money here. It's very modern. It feels obviously suffocating because it's modern architecture with a lot of buildings around. So even though we've got this tiny public space for kids and adults, just look around and see what I mean. It's suffocating. and we're going there to explore that part. That noise is a helicopter that was landing over there. On the London heliport, 80 times per day, taking off and landing. Only obviously rich people, VIPs, businessmen, delegates and all others who have money use heliport. And the problem with that is obviously it's very noisy. And imagine 80 times per day you hear this. And if you're a local, if you bought a flat here or in Battersea, you have to accept that. Why? Because you have no money and you cannot buy peace and quiet. If you want, you can take a boat, like water taxi, to go to central London from here. If you want to buy a nice flat in this tower, right, this one, guess how much? £6 million. So if you don't have £6 million, you can buy something cheaper here, which is a flat in this building. One of those. For only around £3 to £2 million. Why not? When you look at old pictures and compare what was here before, you really appreciate the architecture and the genius behind this project. But at the same time, when you realize how expensive it became and who can afford to live here, you kind of crashed. Because to be fair, I would love to live here. It's really nice. So this is fantastic. The way how they, created something absolutely stunning and peaceful. I think the idea is to use those for shops, all of these units. Right now there's only one, there's a flower shop. But I guess what they want to create here is like a shopping mall for people who live in those apartments over there. I love it here.
And then I've got a.
I'm fascinated by the contrast in the city of, very rich people who live there, right? £6 million for an apartment. And then you've got the houses here that used to belong to workers for the power station. The distance between the entrance to the house and the pavement is very small, which is telling you that, it was a cheap house built for someone who didn't have a lot of money. Obviously, now those houses are not cheap anymore. Probably more and more, people with money buy those flats. So all those houses were really affordable, right? Workers live there. Now you can see more and more very expensive cars. So I guess the process has started like 30 years ago, when this neighborhood became less affordable. And I predict that within 10, 15 years, the whole neighborhood will be very, very posh and very affluent. Oh my gosh, I love when I'm walking and I discovered like little spots, beautiful streets that represents this like London feeling, London atmosphere. And this street is definitely one of those. Fantastic. I'm laughing because they were looking at me recording, but I guess they don't mind when I appreciate the beauty of the hidden spots. I told you, 80 times per day, this noise of helicopter here. Cancelled, 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 cancelled. Typical London cancellation. Great. And I think this is a great time to finish for today. I hope you enjoy it. If you want to support me, check my website. You can buy my ebook travel guide and explore London. Yeah, see you next time. Ciao.